Now, some other vector control methods include larval source management. And when we're talking about larval source management, this is usually referring to breaking the cycle earlier, where we're kind of targeting the immature stages of mosquito through larval source management. And also this can involve kind of other genetic strategies where we're trying to get rid of specific mosquito species that are responsible for transmitting malaria. But when we're talking about larval source management, this generally involves having to kind of introduce methods of environmental management where we're just draining or filling stagnant water bodies so that we're kind of getting rid of any potential mosquito breeding sites, or biological control methods where we are introducing fish species that may prey on mosquito species. And this also can include a lot of chemical control methods where we're trying to use larvicides, and these prevention methods are generally very effective because this can be used in both an urban and a semi-urban environment where breeding sites are generally very identifiable and also manageable. Other methods include genetic vector control methods where we're trying to genetically modify mosquitoes. But again, this is an area of further research. And so far as I know, we're currently relying on the two methods of using spraying insecticides or either using bed nets. So I think those are the two most extensively and most affordable methods used today. And we may choose to use personal protection measures. Now, certain other personal protection measures may include using topical repellents, products that contain DEET or IR35 or 35 or picardin are generally recommended by the World Health Organization for use on exposed skin. And these agents significantly reduce the likelihood of mosquito bites, thereby kind of providing the sort of chemical protection, chemical barrier against mosquito infection. And there's also the choice of using protective clothing where we're trying to wear long-sleeved shirts or trousers, particularly during evening hours, which can help us reduce exposure. There's also the idea of being able to use bed nets in all housing types, even in areas with concrete housing or even screened windows. Bed nets can certainly offer an added layer of protection, especially during sleeping. So then that is one other method of personal protection that can possibly be employed. Other methods include environmental barriers, which include installing mesh screens on windows or even doors and using air conditioning where possible in order to create this sort of physical and also thermal deterrence in order to prevent mosquito entry.